The use of digital technologies is required for modern production. It is the concept of the fourth industrial revolution. The ALTADO company will provide its assistance in the smart production arrangement and the implementation of the Industry 4.0 concept at your enterprise. How do we work? For instance, there is a task, manufacturing a front splashboard for a car, receiving sketches and workpiece blueprints from you, generating the cutting process, time calculating and tools performance. Then, performing digital analysis of the workpiece and draw a mold or die mold for the pressure equipment. Afterwards, selecting the required machine type and standard size for the workpiece processing, machine design and manufacturing. High-speed processing centers are used for the production of such parts. A unique machine design and additional milling heads allow performing 5-axis part processing and successful using one machine only for the performance of the entire work package with high precision. Performing equipment tests, incorporating operating documents with test results. As a result, starting up and commissioning the machine. We will perform on-site erection supervision and will provide training in the machine operation for your personnel. ALTADO is advanced high-speed processing centers with a working table surface up to 3 meters, heavy OD grinding machines, turning machines with a working length of up to 12 meters, horizontal boring machines, and gantry portal processing centers. We design customized machines based on the customer's TOR. There is no need to pay extra money for unnecessary options and functions. We use general-purpose components made by known international manufacturers. Therefore, ALTADO machines are distinguished by their reliability, durability, and improved serviceability. The ALTADO company design manufacturing of machine tools and metallurgic equipment in compliance with applicable global standards and environmental regulations.